Hello everyone. Welcome to the first episode of Maxwell Draws. How to draw a smiley face. The first thing I'm going to do is find a round object to use as a stencil for the circle. I'm using this plastic bowl. Place your stencil against the paper and use a pencil to draw the outline of a circle. Now that we've drawn the circle, draw a cross in the middle, from one side to the other. Use the lines in the center as a guide for placing the features on your smiley face. Draw two oblong ovals for the eyes. Now, draw a curve starting on the horizontal center line that descends slightly into the lower half of the circle. This is going to be the upper part of our mouth. Next, draw a bigger curve connecting both of the edges of the smaller curve, making sure that as you draw it through the circle, you keep it parallel to the outside of the circle. After we're done with that, we're going to go back over our shapes and make sure that we have everything just the way we want it. Now that we're done with the pencils, we're going to go over the outlines in pen. I'm using my Pilot V5 because it has a nice fine black line, and I really like these pens. With the primary ink done, I'm now going to go back in and use a pencil to draw the teeth. And now we're just going to ink over the teeth. With the inks done, it's time to grab your eraser and erase the pencil lines. I use a white polymer eraser because I find that it erases the lines more cleanly. I'm going to use a black Sharpie to fill in the eyes, but first I'm going to draw two little circles as highlights. With the eyes done, it's time to move on to coloring. I'm using watercolor pencils. I'm starting with yellow, the traditional smiley face color. But you can make yours whatever color you want. I'm also going to give the inside of the mouth a base color of yellow. And now I'm going to shade the inside of the mouth with red. That's a nice mouth. I'm using orange to shade around the outside of the smiley face. I'm using blue to add a little bit of shading to the teeth. I'm also going to add a little bit of blue to the highlights in the eyes. I'm going to touch up the shading on the teeth a little bit more to give it a nice core shadow. And also add a little bit of shadow to the other side of the teeth to give it a little bit more dimension. And now, we're done. I hope you enjoyed drawing a smiley face as much as I did. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much for watching.